Hey guys, it's been a long time since I made a full video. Anyways, I'm here to share what's going on lately. I am currently on my weight loss journey. It is day 4 of me using Sema 0.25 milligrams. I hope my video doesn't get taken down, so I'm going to be using a lot of code words. Keep in mind that I don't have health insurance. I don't have a primary care doctor. Right now, I am using a service online for Sema. It is pretty much $200 for 1 month, and because I'm new to it, they have given me 1 month supply only. It arrives fairly quickly. If you're wondering which site I got it from, it's called 5410. Currently, I am at my highest weight I've ever been. I've never exceeded 200 pounds, and now I am 210, which is crazy to me. I have been wanting to lose weight for a long time now, but I need that extra help. So I decided to start on Sema and see how it goes. My body is sensitive to medication, so I was a bit nervous about it at first, but I figured I'd rather be a little nauseous and skinny versus, being big. I am microdosing, and I'm going to stay on this dose for as long as possible. So I think I mentioned I am on Sema 0.25 milligrams. Right now they have me on 5 units every 3 days. So on the 3rd day is when I will inject again another 5 units for the rest of the month and see how things go. Everything was fine. I wasn't sure what to expect, so I figured maybe I would have some sort of sensation going on, like after injection, like my body burning up, or because, now I'm like losing weight. But no, I actually didn't feel a thing right after injection. I did feel cold, so I kind of expected that to happen because the Sema, it delays your stomach from emptying, so I kind of figured my metabolism is going to slow down a lot, making me feel cold. To combat that, I am taking L-carnitine supplement. So this is going to burn fat, and it keeps my body temperature hotter. I'd rather be hot than cold. So far, I feel smaller. I am definitely eating less. The food does not taste the same when you're on Sema, which is making me so happy because I think that's the main problem, right? Like, we're eating because it tastes good, so you're like, okay, I want to have more of this. I have tried to lose weight without any help, without any supplements, and I just can't get myself on a fast. I was hungry all the time, and when I felt hungry, I wasn't eating that much. The only time I felt nauseous is when I didn't have enough protein. So the instructions do say you need to have at least 80 to 120 grams of protein a day. You need to stay hydrated, work out, increase your fiber to avoid constipation. I'm trying to not weigh myself because I don't want to be fixated on the number. So the last time I was skinny, it was back in 2020 or 2021. I was eating, I think, only like 1,000 calories for the day. I pretty much starved myself and ran on the treadmill for 2 hours a day, walking at least 10,000 steps a day. So of course I had no choice but to be skinny. That was not sustainable once my business has started. And then once I met my husband, I gained all of the weight back. Not that he was doing anything wrong. I haven't tried Mexican food like that, so I literally ate everything because it was just so good. And fast forward, now I am at the biggest I've ever been, which is 210. I don't blame anyone but myself. I should have gotten on this weight loss journey a long time ago, but I just wasn't ready to lose weight, and that's why I didn't start. I just know myself. If I'm not ready, then I'm not going to put in any kind of effort to watch my portions, work out, all of that. So yeah, if this is you, definitely do what you feel you're led to do. Okay, so if you're not at a point in your life where you want to lose weight, or you're still wanting to eat everything that you want, then don't even think about weight loss. Like, it's just kind of like a waste of time. So until you're ready to lose weight, that is when you're going to be more motivated to put in the effort. So far, I know I have lost weight because things are fitting better. I feel better, I look better. You do have to do a lot of research. If you want, you can even open the Meta app and say half price GLP-1s. Keep saying it a few times and then close the app, go back in it, and you're going to see all of the brands that have it for 55% off or more. I didn't do that, so the website that I gave you guys, that was a recommendation from a friend who already has tried it. So shout out to her, because if she didn't give me that information, I probably would just be scrolling through the websites and all these different brands. So there are different sites that have the pill versus the jab. So you choose what you want to do. The pill is more expensive based on what I've seen, and the ones that offer like, oh, it's $90 a month, or like it's $120 a month, keep in mind that it's only that price if you buy like 6 months to a year of supplies up front. My plan is to finish the vial that I have, so that is only going to be a 1 month supply. After that, I plan on reconstituting the peppers that I have and using that. The only ones that I'm not going to reconstitute is the lemon bottle. Just do a lot of research. So the lemon bottle, it is similar to Kybella. So one treatment is the entire vial. Do not get this confused with the other peppers that need to be diluted. I have never used lemon bottles specifically before, but I have done other injections that are similar to it, so I am not too worried about it. All of the things that I'm mentioning, please keep in mind you need to stay hydrated and do not starve yourself. Like, you're not going to feel hungry, but the nausea comes in because you're either not hydrated or you didn't meet your protein goal for the day. You should exercise so that by the end of your journey, you don't have a lot of loose skin. For me, my plan is to use red light therapy throughout my whole journey to tighten my skin, and when I lose more weight, I am going to start doing the toning exercises. I am not going to a gym. I'm not taking a class, like a Pilates class or anything like that. If you want to do that, go ahead and do it. I just don't have the time or the flexibility to really do that. So all of the workouts that I'm going to do is what you see on YouTube, those walking or like home workouts. I'm going to include a clip of the peppers that I got. The brand, I've never tried it before, so keep in mind they don't have free shipping, or maybe they do, but it's like really high. I think it's like $250, then you get free shipping. So everything I bought, I think it was like $170. I did get a 15% off discount code because I left the products in the cart for too long and they wanted me to buy it, so they sent me a discount code. Keep that in mind too. There are many discount codes where you can get 10% off, so if you just leave it in your cart for a little bit, like a day or two, they will send you a 15% off code. It came in a FedEx like mailer. It's not padded or anything. Inside that mailer, the products are in here. I am on the lowest dose of Sema right now, and it is day 4. I'm already seeing a lot of changes. So I have 3 GLP-1s, 1, 2, and 3, and then I have 2 bath waters.